In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import subscribers into ConvertKit. This process is crucial for managing your audience effectively, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly bring in your contacts without missing important details. So, let's dive right in. First, we start by logging into ConvertKit. You'll want to head over to the ConvertKit website and log into your account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, now's the time to ensure that your device is handy for a smooth login experience. As soon as you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Think of this dashboard as your central hub for managing all of your email marketing campaigns and subscriber data. It's where the magic happens. Next, it's time to get acquainted with managing your subscribers. Find the Grow section on the dashboard. This is tailored to aid in expanding your audience. Click on Subscribers from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll get an overview of your current subscriber base and essential starting point for importing new contacts. Now that you're in the Subscribers section, we can begin the importing process. Look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you will notice a button labeled Plus Add Subscribers. Give that a click. You'll encounter a couple of options, but what we're interested in here is Import Subscribers. Choosing this option paves the way for us to proceed. Before you upload anything, ensure that your subscriber list is neatly prepared in a CSV file. This step is pivotal because CSV is the designated format for importing into ConvertKit. It's a good idea to double check that your file includes all necessary columns like first name, last name, and email. These elements are key to personalizing your future communications. Once you're sure everything is in place, you can drag and drop your file into the designated area, or, if you prefer, click to upload it manually. Opt for the method that you find most convenient and upload your file. With your file uploaded, ConvertKit will present the columns from your file for proper mapping. This is an important step to ensure every piece of information aligns correctly within ConvertKit's system. You'll map each column from your CSV to the respective ConvertKit fields. For instance, your email column meets ConvertKit's email field, and first name pairs with first name. If your spreadsheet includes additional fields like last name, you can map those as well, though this one is optional. Lastly, let's get organizing. During the import process, you'll have the chance to add these subscribers to a form, sequence, or tag. This organization helps you track where these subscribers originated and how they're managed. As a tip, consider creating a tag like Imported Sep 2025 or any naming strategy that aids your tracking endeavors. This way, you'll easily identify and sort these subscribers down the line. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your subscribers into ConvertKit. By following these steps, you not only keep your subscriber list up to date, but also maintain organized and efficient email campaigns. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.